Welcome to Los Bloom!
What are you guys doing?
Here we are!
What the heck are you guys doing?
Easter!
Easter! You guys are little baby chicks?
We're celebrating Easter!
Yeah.
Easter!
That's awesome. Guys, welcome to Los Blue. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are here at the Irvine Railroad Park for Easter. We're having a total blast. Tons of fun, carnival games, snacks, all sorts of really cool stuff for the whole family. Make sure you guys come down and check it out.
Also vlog and want popcorn.
Oh, Aiden wants popcorn. What? All right, so join us, guys. Let's have a great time. Happy Easter to all of you. God bless you. Let's have.
Are you ready, Aiden? Yeah. Yeah? I'm so ready.
Look at this big tractor.
Big tractor.
Extravaganza.
Woo! It say that. Is the name for this today?
Today we're going to Easter.
Easter.
Today
Is that
we're
why you have
here.
funny ears on your head?
Yeah. And we also ride horses.
What do you have funny ears on your head?
It's the Easter bunny.
All right, so we got
Easter bunnies. Oh, and also we can like see Easter bunnies.
Oh yeah? Let's go check
Yeah.
that out.
What about you? Want to go on the
Oh, and also they have a trampoline.
Want to go on the horse first?
Yeah.
Yeah, horses?
They have horses. I just see it. Can be so
but
fun.
that's not the Easter bunny.
I know, but let's try. Let's try. It still is something fun.
All right, that sounds good. Let's do it.
I'm so ready, Nate.
Oh, you're looking good, girl. Wow. Wow,
Okay.
looking great.
Under.
Ooh.
Let it come from somewhere around. Let's leave that soul and in my home. Let's leave that spirit
That looks great.
Hi.
They got all this cool stuff. Guys, they got lots to do here. What do you guys want to do first?
You're fine. You're fine.
So we gotta get a wristband for the Easter egg.
Oh, that looks like that.
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
All right, guys, so we're here, Easter egg hunt. Make sure you guys get your wristbands or use 2 tickets is all that they need here. And then you get in this big long line here. Lots of people putting out different Easter eggs and whatnot. Super fun for the whole family. I think I'm gonna get a wristband. What do you think? Can Daddy get a wristband? I can? It's, look at the ages, silly goose. It says 2 to 12. So can Daddy get one? Oh, but hey, will you get some eggs for Daddy? You promise? Yeah, dude. Hey, I see the Easter bunny. Do you?
Yeah,
Where is he?
right there.
He's over there. Look. I see him. You see him over there?
Yeah,
He's cute, huh?
yeah.
Wow, what is this game, Madeline? What is this?
I don't know.
It's like a game. A game.
You guys want to play games?
Yeah.
And you could win like a sloth? That's cool. This is only one ticket.
Let's try your best, okay?
Okay.
It's one ticket.
Oh, so now we have 99 tickets.
Ooh. Where you can win a donut? They have a donut.
Yeah.
Ooh. Can I want the donut?
I want a
Donuts or sloth? Donuts or sloth?
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Alright, give your ticket in there, dude.
Did you take it,
Alright, bud. You just have to toss it all the way over there. Oh, you almost... How did you almost get that so quickly?
Okay.
Oh, almost got it again.
Can I do it?
Wow, he's actually really good.
Oh, shoot. Let's try it in.
Very last one.
Ah! Let's go. Well, we tried.
Dude, you did really well. You get a donut, dude.
Thank you
You
so
get a donut with sprinkles.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Are you gonna try it, Adeline?
You wanna try?
All right, let Adeline go. Let's see.
Now we have 98 tickets.
That's right.
Okay, here we go. That's something in my eye.
You think Adeline's gonna do it, bud?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out.
It's I'll try one.
Oh, she almost got it.
I almost
Oh, she
did
almost got it again.
You almost did it. It's great. Almost did it. Yay.
Oh man, you were so close.
They're hard.
You were so close. What kind of donut are you gonna get? Chocolate. I knew what I
Thank
called
you.
it. Chocolate donut for daddy.
Got it. Oh, you did it. You wanna go and do the bigger, what's it, the sun machine?
Oh yeah, let's go do excavator.
Excavator, see that? Look at it. You wanna drive like an excavator?
Yeah, I do. Let's try this.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Look at that.
Running train party.
Ooh.
Wow, I like it.
Oh, it's like a big chocolate bunny. Mini diggers, Aiden.
Yeah. I can help you with your stuff.
You can put your donut in your back in your bucket.
Aiden, I can help you here.
All right, so we're waiting for Aiden's turn on the excavator. He's got his hard hat. You got your hat, dude? Yep. Check it out. Ooh, it's pretty legit. Are you gonna use the machine and try to find Easter eggs?
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool, these excavators here. You gotta dig and try to find Easter eggs. How many are you gonna find?
4.
4. He's going for 4, guys. Like down below. Comment how many you think he's gonna get. Let's check it out. All the way down. Let's go all the way down. Come on. These are so cool. This,
No, I think you're over here. I think you're one
all the way over here, Bubba. Let's go over here. This is yours. Go in. Go ahead and get in. Gotta get your hard hat. Oh no. All right, hats on. We're good. Let's get up in there.
Hi.
Primero subes y después te acomodas todo. Wow.
Gotta buckle. Buckled. Check. Hat check. Good to go. Check.
Wow.
Yeah.
Aiden. That is cool. Wow. Wait, they coming to help you.
Okay, dude, you gotta get all those Easter eggs, all right? You know what to do?
Yeah.
You know what the mission is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Easter eggs.
Get the Easter eggs. Look, there's all these Easter eggs all over. Check it out.
Aiden, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Papa.
he said his goal was 4 Easter eggs. I don't know if he can do it. Let's check it out.
You got it, dude. Remember, you said you're gonna get 4. Oh, you almost had one. Atta boy. There's 2.
2 down, 2 to go.
You have two eggs?
Yep, you got 2.
Wow. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Thank you for your help.
Oh, he's going for the big one. Let's get the big red one.
That is so cool. He's going high.
Go down. Go down. Like that. Like that. Like that.
He's got it. He's got
Go
it.
like this.
Oh, he's totally got it. Yes!
Awesome.
Good job, bro.
Yes, you can do it.
Okay, I can dump it out.
Which way you want to go?
Excavator.
Which one is the other one?
I know you're
Aiden?
singing the excavator song in your head right now.
Escalator. You remember it? Good job, Papa.
This is really cool.
I
Can I
love
buy
it.
one of these?
Yes.
You heard it there, vlog. I'm buying one. Maybe we'll do a video where I actually buy one of these things.
Huh? I like it. I like it. This is
I can like
fun.
literally build a pool with one of these.
I know. Oh, literally. Yeah, it's true.
They sell like actual, real, like small excavators.
That's awesome. We gotta
They
get
like
one
work
of
better than this, probably.
these. Katie, we need to buy you one. What do you think?
I think that's a yes.
Yep. That is so cool. Adeline, what if I buy us one of these? Would you like to use it if I buy an excavator?
I don't know. I bet Aiden will.
You
I
what?
think Aiden is gonna be using, but I can be like in there. We can be just like doing like sand castle.
Oh, good job.
All right, dude. Good job.
I need to count the tickets. Come on.
The goal is reached.
The goal is reached.
Good job, Aiden. Is that cool, dude?
Awesome.
Come here.
Careful, Bubba. Good? How was that, bro? You did it. You got 4. I saw you get 4.
Look good.
Look, it looks good, he says.
Let's go paint eggs.
Paint eggs? What are you talking about? So we paint eggs here? That's cool. Look, you've got to throw them in the hole where the paints are, dude. That is awesome.
How many tickets is here?
2 tickets for the panda and then 1 ticket for the cat.
What do you want?
Probably want a cat, huh?
A what? A cat?
I want the panda.
What? You want a panda? How about a cat? Look how cute they are.
Okay.
The cat.
You want a cat? Good job.
Come on, here, Aiden. Oh, let me help you.
Oh, you're really tall.
I am very tall.
Yeah. Okay, give it to him.
Thank you.
Thank you. They're super happy in here. I love it. I love this place. It's really fun for the kids.
Yeah.
For us too.
All right, let me go over here. Alan, you know what the mission is?
What is it?
You got to throw it into the paint can that's painted up there on the wall.
Oh.
So you got to tuck it in there.
Oh, okay. She was
Oh,
thinking
she
she's gonna
almost did it.
faint. Oh, goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness, you almost got that one. Oh!
Come on, Aiden.
You hit the bunny's belly.
Good job. Thank you.
Awesome.
Yay.
Good job.
Perfecto. Gracias, muchas gracias.
Dude, you got a cute little cat.
Oh, I
Caco.
like the colors.
¿Y
Great.
la panda qué?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's cool. Everyone's a winner here, guys.
I love it. I love it.
Even if you lose, you get your thingy.
You got a cute panda.
I
You
know.
go to the choo-choo train and the Easter egg.
Okay.
The Easter,
What
like
time is
the
it?
Easter egg, I said.
It's fun.
What do you want to do?
I want to do cat. I want to do cat.
Tickets are. I think we already finished.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, almost 4 more. 2 tickets, so it's gonna be. Okay. Yeah, look at it. You're gonna need your tickets.
Okay, you want flowers?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. I was asking because when I was your age, I was really tall. I was the tallest one in my class. Are you
Oh,
tall in
really?
your class? No?
No, yes.
Oh, you look very
So
tall.
cute. Yeah, my God.
You ready? Okay.
Daddy, my like.
Not from here.
My like. My bunny ears.
Oh, I got them on my head.
Drive there in 2 hours.
Come on, Daddy.
Oops.
What the hell? You was with the bunny
I stole
ears?
them.
Wow, Aiden, are you excited? Yeah. You want a face paint?
What do you think, Block?
Pretty cool.
You're so cute.
Oh my goodness, don't know what that chick right there in your face.
It's totally a chicken. I love it.
Pretty good, Block.
That is a cute area.
We got to do the train too.
I know, I love it. I really want to do it. Wow, you're so amazing. Thank you. Don't move, honey, don't move.
It's so cute. There's a train, bud.
That is a train,
That's what we're going to.
We're going on that too?
Yeah.
Okay.
You said it, so now you gotta.
Oh, I'm so jealous already. Like, how is possible? You can do nails.
Wow.
It's art. That is a beautiful art. Wow. I wish that doesn't remove in 1 week, like you say.
You look amazing.
So cool.
And you want glitter, right? Yeah. Okay. So we do
Is that really a question?
right? It makes me so sad when people say no.
I know.
It looks so good.
It looks like you make just like
Yeah, it makes it pop. That's exactly the thing.
it's looking so great. Natalie, look at me. Hi. Hi, Edith. Are you happy? Oh, happy Easter.
Happy
This is a beautiful place.
We can always come back.
Oh my goodness, the glitter.
I know, 100%. Oh, my bad. I can see it.
Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I love it.
Cute.
Thank
I love
you.
it. You're welcome, my dear. And then you can also look in the big mirror, okay?
This was in the big hero. Now it's Aiden's turn.
Are you eating with you?
Amazing. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Wow. Let me see the other side.
Eileen, can I want to do a creeper? Is your creeper celebrating Easter? Okay. You're doing great. Remember, you gotta stay still, or creeper's gonna get a mustache. Okay.
Hey, that's my girl. Hasta le va a poner mejor. Hey, hasta le va a poner mejor.
Doing
I
so
don't think I've ever seen Aiden so calm.
I know, never. He's really active. You know?
Wow, I can't believe how cool you look, Adam.
I know, it was beautiful.
Oh, you guys are cute little bunnies over here.
She did such amazing work. Thank you.
Smile. That's a good picture. Click.
I know
So he's doing a Minecraft creeper, but Easter style.
Oh my god, he was a Minecraft. Oh my goodness, boys. Boys.
I know.
But it's a bunny.
I know.
Oh my goodness, dude, it looks so cool.
You look pretty awesome.
How many of these have you done this Easter?
creepers or bunnies?
Bunnies in general, painting in general.
Oh, painting every day, every single day.
Lots
It's
of
my
kids.
favorite job.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
This has been the biggest blessing I ever had.
Yeah,
I love being with the kids.
I can tell.
Thank you.
So nice.
Oh, dude.
I know,
It
right?
looks even better in person.
Yeah. Oh, that's wow, Aiden, I love it so much.
Oh, that looks so cool.
It
Dude.
looks amazing.
He looks awesome.
So cool. It's cool, you know, like it's like sweet, but at the same time cool.
Wow.
Chocolate Aiden, are you excited? Huh? Do you say thank you?
Thank you so much. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
That is so cool.
Oh my goodness, bro. That looks so amazing, Adeline. Wow, Aiden. Do you like it? Oh, he doesn't, no, he can't believe it.
He's like in shock.
Let's keep going. Thank you.
Easter bunny.
Easter Bunny! Look! That is so cool. Let's go. Let's go, Mama. There's Maya over there.
Just those two?
Yeah, my husband too.
Huh? Me?
Coming in the picture?
I'm coming in the picture?
Yeah, of course. Go ahead.
Go down over there, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank
Sorry.
you.
Super cute. Check it out.
Okay. Did you see the Easter
That
Bunny?
was so cool.
You said that one. Let's go.
Oh, it's so cool. Check it out. So Easter egg hunt?
Yep. Looks like that. We're in time.
In time, Mommy.
It's time, lady.
That's time to be there. So I need someone to hold this bag.
Okay, of course. Dame tu tu panda.
You what?
To get out the egg. Vlog is
tickets?
Yeah.
Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Let's go. We didn't get all the toys and candy too. Let's see how many you have, bud. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got enough. Okay, we're all set, dude. Good job, Aiden. That was awesome. Yeah, you can go get candy. That's pretty good turnout there, dude.
Oh my goodness.
Daddy, I still have
Everyone.
All right, we got it all, dude? All right. Good job.
But I don't even get all the candy.
That's okay, bud. Alan got some.
That was that was quick. So allowed 10 eggs per kid. It goes like that. So be ready, parents. As soon as they say go, it's like game over. It's really, really quick.
Unbelievable. It was just funny and crazy and cool, huh? I love it. Show me your eggs. Wow.
Well,
Wow.
happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Let's go on the train.
Let's go on the train.
Well, but we need tickets first.
Let's go get it.
Yeah, we're going on the train.
Yay, the train. Ready for the train? Ready. Aiden said ready.
Ready, bud?
Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah.
I love how they decorate this train, like with flowers. It looks so cute.
Ready to ride? Hey, bud. Were you there?
Yeah, I have
Goes right there.
Great.
Climb on board. Here to give you a ticket.
Thank you.
Friend.
Want to sit in the back? Hi, guys.
I feel like I don't fit.
I can go with Daddy.
I feel like I don't fit in this. I need a bamba, my little bamba. It's okay. It's just great.
I need to go with you too.
Like with mommy. Cool hair, bro.
Let me help you.
You guys are probably like the cutest bunnies I've ever seen.
Underneath. Here.
And 224 on the Railroad Bell, and we are off on our 1 mile journey near the
On aboard.
On a war.
Go.
Batch in September. But you know, we still have a lot of thunder in summertime, especially Wednesdays. Do you know why? Live Free Wednesdays. If you're wearing an Irvine Park Railroad t-shirt or one of our caps that have a logo on it, you can ride the train for free on a Wednesday, literally as many times as you like. And it's so much fun, can't we? If you want to take us over to the food kit merchandise,
Did you hear that Wednesday we can ride the train as much as we want for free?
you want 20% off your purchase, you can
Yeah, we're coming on Wednesday.
KAYLA will get you 20% off your purchase from our website. Hope to see you guys here on Live Free Wednesdays. If you got questions, talk to you after the ride.
You don't want to do what?
I don't want to go.
Go where?
Now, as we make our our way on the railroad crossing, we're going to pass by the first of two lakes here in the park. This is the lower lake on the left side of the train, home to all sorts of different animals like geese, ducks, turtles, and fish. There's a baby Egyptian geese right there on the left, a baby gosling. Now, a group of geese is called a gaggle of geese. Now, while they are very cute buildings to babies, the parents will attack you.
There's another duck.
You like the ducks?
Now, folks, we're traveling through the oldest regional park in the entire state of California. It is 128 years old, founded back in 1897.
500 acres of land.
They say you can ride the train as much as you want for free on Wednesday.
Oh.
Wow.
Guys, this is amazing.
Look at the dog.
Like 500 acres of beautiful.
Now, as we trigger
Park land.
look out across
Wow.
the water of the upper lake, you'll see the boathouse.
Look at these like little like bikes you can rent.
Go back in the year 1914, it's where you can rent those water bikes and all the different bicycles like beach cruisers, choppers, quads, tandems, series, and double series. There's a lot of fun for all your friends and
I have a
family.
quad.
You do have a quad.
Boys to know. It's our here to educate people on what's like outdoor lighter, hiking, or camping down here in SoCal. So remember, leaves of 3, let it be. The Dutch boys to know, so the tasty rash will last for a few days or a few weeks. Either way, it's fun.
That's poison oak. Don't touch it.
Having over the switch here, we'll be entering the upper loop and passing by a bunch of California coastal industries. Many of them are hundreds of years old. Around here, keep your eyes peeled out for squirrels or peacocks.
train
You might
is
see a few running about today.
They have lions. They have a zoo.
Is that the zoo right there? Oh, that's the potty.
Yeah.
All sorts of weird sounds and smells coming from that building.
I have a couple of props on the left side of the train coming up. Part of our California 4th grade history program. Oh, there's a peacock right there. That's the male peacock. It has a blue neck and green tail feathers. The females, those are called peahens. They have green necks and brown tail feathers. And babies are called pea chicks.
That's really cool.
Ooh, that's buffalo. Ooh, look, what are those, Adeline?
Hens.
Teepees.
On the right side of the train is a statue of the founder of the park. That's James Irvine II with his 2 Irish setter hunting dogs. They're facing east into Orton and Anna Lake, which is why the statue was called the Elizabeth Shade.
Yeah. That's the founder of the park right there.
A lot of barbecues out and about today, a lot of good food cooking. Very tempting as we go by. You ever heard of reverse train robbery before? Well, it's where we get off the train and rob them of their food. Can't stop all of us. I mean, few of the children, not the kids are poor, right? A lot of ducks out there on the right, and some baby ducklings too. We have 2 families of ducklings today. We got the mallard ducks, and we have the Swedish farm ducks.
Look, they decorated it all cute for Easter. Aiden, how cool was that?
It was good.
It was good? You like it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, look at that.
This is a beautiful one.
His name is Anthony too.
Oh, Anthony's in the back.
Happy Easter, guys.
Well, that's a wrap here, guys. Irvine Railroad Park Extravaganza. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Share with all of your families and friends, guys. We wish you nothing but the happiest, merriest, happiest Easter ever. Eileen, you're looking at what?
Horsey over there. You can see a little bit.
Oh, she sees the horses over there. So, guys, thank you again. We love you guys. Thank you for sharing us, your videos, and all of your thoughts and comments.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, and picture.
picture.
Oh,
A
picture.
picture.
Bye, guys.